Hi.
G'day, how you going?
We're at Temora. We're starting this little sojourn.
This episode in Temora at a festival. We've got our wristbands.
We've got our wristbands, yes.
It hasn't quite started yet.
A day on the lake.
Is what it's called.
Yep, so there's...
It's like a day on the green, those music festivals.
Except with aeroplanes.
Well, there's music too.
And music, and wine. Yeah, so
and all that sort of
bit
stuff.
of everything, yeah.
So we'll start here at the festival, and then after that we'll probably show you a few towns around Temora area as well.
Yeah.
All right, stay tuned.
Stick with us.
And it's so windy, they've just lost their shade shelter. Actually, Glenn was standing there and it fell right on Glenn's shoulder. So he's a little bit sore. But yeah, the wind is unexpected. Shade's all nice and secure now. The school have got cakes and slices and cookies, so I've just bought some slices. There's quite a few different stalls and food venues. Sausage sandwiches. And up the end is wine. That's where I'm heading now. Wine by the glass. It's a no bottle venue. So here we go. It's 30 odd degrees today. The misting fans.
Like that, I know the time is I'm gonna move it on. I'm gonna be you now.
I'll tell you what, it's pretty windy and bumpy there today, so they'll be earning their keep trying to remain in formation because A, with different aircraft, and B, with different lumps in the air, the aeroplanes will be bouncing around at different rates altogether.
With that, what we're looking at here is a cross-section of what they call basic or ab initio trainers and an advanced trainer. The British actually used them as fighter aircraft at Dunkirk because they were throwing everything that they could at the Luftwaffe.
It has been a massive day. It's nearly 7 o'clock and we're just having the last flyover now. So music goes until 9.
Spitfires.
Spitfires are coming soon. They're over in the distance.
No, Mrs. Schmitz.
So the reason we went to the Day on the Lake Airshow yesterday was Glenn's request.
Because I'm getting old.
No, he's having a birthday soon, and we generally like to do experiences for birthday rather than gifts. So he says he's getting old.
No,
It's one of those big 0 birthdays.
Yeah.
So turning 60 in a few days' time. So you had a great day, didn't you?
Yeah, it was a good day on the lake.
Yeah, so I think you were satisfied with that for your birthday.
Yep.
But
Should have
then
been, could have been more planes and less
music.
music.
Yes, I thought you might have thought that actually. The music was good, but yeah, for the Airshow side of it, we had to wait, an hour in between flights, really, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Music
yeah,
in between.
yeah.
So it was an entertaining day. Yeah, had a good day.
It was a
Anyway,
good day, yeah.
so what has been happening the last probably 6 months or so is that Glenn's drone has been getting sicker and sicker. He's been having trouble with it. You've been trying to fix it.
Yes,
What's-
it had a bit of a overhaul in 2020, was it?
Oh gosh,
20
it hasn't been dying
no.
for that long.
No, 2021. I put a new gimbal base in it, and that kind of fixed it for a while.
We must say, the drone is 7 years old,
Yeah,
so
it does get a fair bit of use.
he's had a lot of use. We use it most days,
And I haven't crashed it that much.
but it has been having gimbal trouble. So I think worse over the last 6 to 12 months,
Yeah.
where it's
Oh, it's just been
shaky.
very, temperamental. Yes, you got to crop out all the bad stuff and keep
And
the good stuff.
shaking uncontrollably. We'll put some footage in for you.
It's got Alzheimer's, yes.
I reckon it's Parkinson's. It's like it's got Parkinson's.
Oh, I can't remember. What was I saying?
Yeah, okay, all right, we get that. So anyway, it's kind of beyond repair now. So coincidentally, it's a few days out from his birthday. We think we have to go and buy a new drone. So bonus, you get a present this year.
Yeah. Something's coming.
Research to do.
Yeah.
Research to do.
Yeah.
There's lots out there. All right, we'll show you what we get.
Yeah.
All right, so we've been doing some research, or Glenn has.
Been doing some research on the drone.
The replacement.
issue. Yeah. Yeah. We could probably try to fix this old girl, but it's getting a bit long in the tooth.
You have tried.
I have done in the past, yeah.
She is 7.
Never say never.
I know,
I'll
but
have
she-
another go.
She is 7. So, you
Yeah,
started
initially
looking-
I've been attracted to the Mini, only because of price.
because
A few guys have got them, but
they're quite common, aren't they?
they are quite common.
And-
Wind tends to be their biggest downfall.
The Mini, I was just concerned because he's got the Mavic Pro now, which has died, that he would regret buying the Mini because it's stepping backwards. They're still a good little drone, but I mean, the drone that's died when he bought it 7 years ago was over $2,000.
Yeah.
So you don't want to go back to buying a drone that's under $1,000. I felt you would be disappointed. So I've convinced him
Yeah, she's convinced me to spend the more money.
to look at the next price bracket. So
Yes, it's hard, but
it's hard to put your hand in your pocket. That's true.
she convinced me my birthday was coming up.
That's right. And
Yeah.
timing for it to die, get what we think will suit our needs. But then the new Mavic Pro, they're up near 5,000.
Yes, yeah.
So really, even though it's his birthday, that we can't do that.
If you buy the Fly More combo and stuff like that, but we're looking at the Mavic Classic, which has just gone back to the single camera instead of having 3 cameras,
Or the Air 3,
or the Air 3,
because they're both about
which
the
has still
same
got
price.
2 cameras. But yeah,
So what's the difference between those?
well, the Classic has got the Hasselblad bigger sensor on their camera, so that's what I'm leaning towards.
Because you do like your
Yeah.
quality
And it's a heavier drone.
photos.
Yeah. The Air is nearly as heavy as the outgoing drone that I've got, but it just feels a bit plasticky.
So I think even though he's comparing between the Mavic Classic and the Air 3, I think your mind's made up, really, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
So we've just got to find a regional town that's big enough to sell it. So, but at least we've done the research. The Classic, you think, is going to perform better in the wind?
Yes, I think so. And
Which
I don't necessarily need the Fly More combo, because previously I've had the extra batteries that come with the Fly More
combo,
but you only really use 2 of them. And sometimes I get 3 flights out of a battery.
You don't go for a long time.
Yeah, I don't go for a long time.
You only go up, get what you need and come back down.
Yeah.
It's not, So, you know, that might save a couple of $100, but I think it's better if he spends a decent amount of money on the actual drone, and you can get all the gadgets and stuff later, the extra batteries and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
So the decision's been made. We just have to find a town.
Yes.
While we've been in Temora, we've based ourselves at the Temora Showground. It's a great little camp. We see the trotters in the afternoons, and the amenities are brand new. Probably some of the best amenities in a showground that we've seen in a long time. And it's not terribly crowded. Big area.
Here we are at Junee Chocolate Factory. It's just been a short drive from Temora, about 50 k's.
And we've ordered a special treat. We'll show you that a bit later.
Yeah, birthday cake.
Shush! Smash cake.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful old building, and they've got beautiful gardens. What was this old building? We found out they bought it for $1. What was it? A disused something?
It was a mill, wasn't it?
Yeah, and it would gone to rack and ruin.
Yeah.
So they bought it for $1 and then spent $1 million doing it up. We're here in spring, and these just smell beautiful. I wish you could smell them. The gardens are really nice. And when we go inside, the smell of the flowers will be overtaken by the smell of the chocolate. And this is where they make the licorice. See, they're chopping it up the top there. Look at all those little bits of licorice. It's so soft.
Warm.
Fresh off the belt.
Oh,
Fresh
yes,
again.
please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Car.
What are they making over there, Glenn? What are
What
they
are they
making
making?
there? Chocolate coating something.
Yep.
That one full of white ones, we can see the sign there. They're white chocolate macadamias. Something's going on in this one next door. That might be the dark chocolate macadamias in that one.
Yeah, might be.
What do you think that is?
A mess.
Oh, is that's the freckle? No?
No, that's just
Chocolate.
just chocolate.
They're all the bars of chocolate with nuts and different things on them. It's good coming on a weekday. I don't remember there being this much activity when we've been at other times.
To it. Or freckle making, $5. Guided tour, $5. Ambiance. We're going to buy some seconds.
We've had these once before. They don't have seconds here all the time. Bits of smashed up chocolate. It's delicious chocolate, and it's a cheaper way to buy it. They're only $15 a bag.
Because we're tight asses.
Ooh.
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 Happy birthday to me.
Did you have a look at it?
Got 60 on it. Oh, wonder who that is.
Is it for somebody's
for?
60th?
Oh, sorry, you weren't supposed to show him?
Oh my gosh. Oh my
my gosh, that's beautiful. I thought you were supposed to have 80 on that.
Ooh, them's are fighting words.
Yep. You get free chocolates.
Happy birthday. When is your 70th? I mean, 60th.
60th?
She's full of it.
Yeah.
What?
I hate you.
I was going to give you a present. What would you like?
I've had to make a little space here in the fridge in the caravan to nestle the cake so it doesn't get damaged in the days before it gets smashed. Got your tongue right?
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy big 6-0 to you. 6-0.
That's depressing.
Ooh. He's a little bit bigger than the last one.
Okay, we've made a decision and we're going with the Mavic 3 Classic. Initial impressions after flying it, it's great. It's a lot smoother, faster and quieter than the old one, which it's the third generation, so they've done a lot of things right, and the camera quality is excellent. So that's something I look forward to exploiting. One of the main reasons we went for the Mavic 3 was that it was slightly heavier than the Air we were looking at, because I wanted to have genuine wind performance. You know, it's very well planted in the wind. We've had some rough weather to test it out, and yes, it is.
You've put it up to test it, especially in the wind.
Especially in the wind, yes.
And it's handled better than the
Previous
Mavic Pro
one.
that you had.
Yeah.
So that's excellent news. It looks like you might have, or we have made the right decision. Yay!
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, birthday. Happy birthday to you. All right, now you've got to stick the knife in.
Hey!
Where are you sticking the knife in?
Oh, I'm sticking it in here somewhere.
And
Hold the other side and then it might.
this thing holds it together.
Oh, yeah.
Smarties and.
Why don't you leave the ribbon on?
Get some
Get the
scissors.
ribbon off.
Get some scissors, Vicky.
Yeah.
I just need a pair of
There.
scissors. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Blow your candle out.
Oh.
Yay! Happy birthday.
Gee.
Hi. Well, we had no idea that this episode was going to turn out the way that it did.
We got loads of chocolate.
No, starting off in Temora, we were going to do an episode showing you around the area, but it turns out it was all about replacing the drone,
Yes.
pretty
yeah.
much, and your birthday.
The
of course.
drone was sick, so we got a new one.
And you've had some great celebrations.
Been to Junee.
We've got leftover birthday cake, as you can see, as he's munching away.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, we hope you've enjoyed this episode. Hope it's helped you out if you're doing some drone research. And, yeah, please like and subscribe. And we will see you on the next episode.
Next time.
Bye.
And I'll be fatter.
Bye.